Imagine yourself in this cheap 2018 Wrangler Unlimited Sahara. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: black cloth low-back bucket seats, tires, 255/70R18 all-terrain included, Goodyear brand tires, Apple CarPlay, wheels, 18-inch x 7.5 inches tech-grade polished face, engine, 2.0 Li4 turbo torque included, delete alternator 700 amp maintenance-free battery supplemental heater 48V bell starter generator, Sirius satellite radio, quick order package 28 grams included, engine 2.0 Li4 turbo e-torque transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850RE, transmission, 8-speed automatic 850RE, included, Dana M200 rear axle hill descent control tip start and body color 3-piece hard top included,